If I'm looking at the surface area of a cylinder, I only need two values. This radius up here, which is the radius of the circle on this end and also the one on the other end, and the height of the cylinder. If I unwrap this shape, I get two circles, one for the top and one for the bottom. And unwrapping this curved surface makes actually a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is the same as the circumference of the top circle or the bottom circle. The width of the rectangle is the same as the height. So let's put that together and get a formula. So the area for the surface area for a cylinder is equal to 2 times the ends, 2 pi r squared. So that's just the area of this end plus the area of that end, which makes 2 pi r squared. Plus, we need the area of this rectangle here, length by width. Its length is 2 pi r, and multiply that by its width, which is h for height. So you can see you only need two values, the value of r to substitute here, and the value of h to substitute there, and that will give you the surface area of the cylinder. So let's look at an example. In this example, I've got a cylinder. The ends have a diameter of 4. Now, we need to be careful there because we need radius. So I'm going to write radius equals 2. And it has a height of 9. It's lying on its side, but that's still 9 for the height. Writing out the formula, area equals 2 lots of pi r squared for the two circular ends and 2 pi r h for the curved surface. Substituting in 2 pi times r squared, which is 2 squared, plus 2 pi times r, which is 2, multiplied by h, which is 9. That's the same as 8 pi plus 4 is 36 pi, which if we were doing algebra we could write as 44 pi, and so the answer is 44 times pi, which is 138 meters squared. In this next example, there's a bit of a problem because we've only got half a cylinder, and instead of having a curved surface which goes all the way around, it's only half of it. And then there's this other surface on the top here. So it's a composite surface area. So let's just work out the area for a cylinder anyway to start off with. The area for a cylinder is equal to 2 lots of pi r squareds for the ends plus 2 pi r h for the curved surface. So let's substitute in. The area will be A equals 2 pi times 1.5 squared plus 2 pi times 1.5 times 8. Remembering, of course, that this 3 is the diameter and we want the radius, so I've halved it to get that number and that one. So the answer to that is 89.5. Now we only want half of that because we've only got half of a cylinder. So half a cylinder is equal to 44.8 meters squared. Now that's not the whole surface area because we still haven't done this rectangle here. So that rectangle there is going to be so the area for that's just length by width, which is going to be equal to 3/8 of 24. So the total area is going to be 44.8 plus 24, which is 68.8 meters squared.